Hi, my name is Kabir. My group number is 158A, and in this video we will be performing intradermal injection. So let's start. So first we will be performing hand hygiene. For hand hygiene we will take soap, then we'll turn on water, then we will rub. Now we will take the disinfectant and we will rub again. Now after performing hand hygiene we will wear gloves. So for first glove we will put we will use two fingers and then we will insert our hand. Now as you can see, I have worn the first glove. Now I will wear the second glove. For second glove I will use three fingers. As you can see, I have inserted three fingers. Now I will insert my hand and then I will show you again. So as you can see, I have worn the gloves. Now I will take the packet from which I removed the gloves and I will put it in box A, which is on the ground here. I can show you box A. Here is box A. I will put this wrapper in box A. Now what I will do is I'll take the syringe from the sterile tray over here and I will check if it's packed properly or not. Yes, it's packed properly. Now I will check the expiry date. The expiry date written is August 2023. So now we can open it. I have opened it. So now what I will do is that I will take this wrapper and I will put it in medical box A. I will see the readings and I will see the readings at eye level, and now I will place it on the sterile tray. I will take the medicine and first with a piece of cotton I will clean it. Now what I will do is, this is the cotton by which I cleaned it first, so I will put it in medical box A, which is on the ground. Now I will take another cotton and using this cotton I will again clean this medicine box. This cotton ball was dipped in a disinfectant in alcohol, so I'm cleaning it again. After cleaning it, I will put it in medical box B. Medical box B is here, so I will put it in medical box B. Now I will again take the syringe. I will open its cap and as of now I will keep it on the sterile tray. Now I will take medicine from the box. As you can see, I have taken the medicine. Now I will keep it at eye level and check if there are any air bubbles or not. I will remove them. I have successfully removed any air bubbles which were present in the syringe. Now I will use my tourniquet. Here is my tourniquet and I will place it on my subject, which is this piece of sponge over here. As you can see, I have put the tourniquet over on my sponge. Now I will take my syringe, open the cap, place it on the sterile tray as of now. I will take a piece of cotton and rub it over here where I need to apply the injection. 1, 2, 3. Now I will put it in medical box B, which is here. So in an intradermal injection, we inject the medicine at an angle of 15 degrees, and that's what I'll be doing right now. At an angle of 15 degrees, I will insert the medicine. I will remove the tourniquet. Now I will slowly insert the medicine in. Now I will remove the syringe and put it in medical box B. Now I will take a piece of cotton, but in an intradermal injection, we do not directly put the cotton on the point where we had injected the medicine. We use the cotton around the area where we injected the medicine, and that's what I am doing here. Now I will take this cotton ball and place it in medical box B. Now I will remove my gloves. I will ensure that no part of my skin touches the exposed part of the gloves. I have removed the gloves and now I will put it in medical box B. That's it. Thank you.